Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a station in the Cityrail map application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the little bus button at the bottom of the page. So here are all the stations. You can search for it, or you can find it listed in an ABC line. So for example, if you're looking for the Dublin Airport terminal station, just click on that. And here it will pop up on the map, and this way you can start to calculate the route there. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.